folks, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and replace this. This is a snake bite style. This is all just plastic. This hose I've had for many years, about 20 years actually, and the plastic end, it used to be like this here. This here is obviously metal, but what was on here was plastic end like this. So I don't know how this works, how good this is going to work. I've never used a snake bite style version of this. I've used things like this before, just not this style, and definitely not plastic. Well, we'll see, folks. First, we've got to be able to cut the end off here. There's that. And you want to actually get it as square as possible. All right, don't just gall it all up. The squarer the cut, the better. But I need to check something first. Okay. This is okay. What the hell, dude? That's 7/8. Shit. I might have a little problem. This is supposed to be for 5/8. This is the only one I could find that would be good, that would fit anywhere near this. I don't know if this is actually going on. Nope, it's not. Okay, folks. Part 2. Alright. Now, this is some standard dish detergent that I always tell people the best thing to do is use dish detergent and not oil or anything like that, because it's a potable water. You don't want to use oil or anything on stuff that you're going to need to drink, or animals are going to drink, or whatever. This here, the detergent, will be a good lubricant. But I don't think this is going on at all. No, if I can spin it, then it's not grabbing on. Damn bugs are... Jeez. Huh. Maybe that... keeps collapsing on me here. I don't know how far it's supposed to go on. I'm assuming. What the hell? Oh. Alright. So. There we go. Well, it does look like it's got a bit of a bite onto it. Now I'm getting all soaking wet with this oil. Detergent, excuse me. You don't want to do that, folks. Then you... I don't know if I'm hitting the bottom or not, because it doesn't look like it's actually going on any farther. You can't really tell. I wonder if I got something I can stick in there. Nope, not slow enough. Stop it from collapsing as I push it on. Damn, flies. Crap, now I'm getting a cut right there. Shit. Well, that's just the outer casing. Yeah, I think that'll be fine. If not, it does say press on here to actually release, so it's not like I can just take this off and then put it back, make another cut. Maybe I should do that now. Oh yeah, that wasn't even on that far. Huh. Jeez, I'm getting freaking eaten alive, folks. Mosquitoes around here. before I do this. Alright, let's go for round 2. Okay, well, it's barely on though. I can see it. Jeez, I'm getting tore up. I don't know how far it goes down, so yeah. It's on there though. Yeah, the teeth are definitely biting into the hose. See, I don't know about these snake bite. Jeez, that one got... I mean, I like the concept that they just go on real easy, but there's no way to determine how far it's gone on. You know what I mean? So, you don't know if it's going to leak or not. What the hell is that? What the hell is that? Huh. I don't know what that is, but seems to be a good fit. And then I got the same one, but the reverse. It's the male ending of it. As you see, it goes wham bam. That's for this hose here. But I'll leave that up to another day. So, alright, now let's go see if I effed up or do I need to redo it. Jeez, the ground is so saturated. Alright. Let's see how this thing works. Shall we? Okay, goes on alright. Okay. Alright. Now, I'll put the end on it. Do a little pressure test. Slowly turn it on. I can hear the pressure. Jeez. Fucking daylight, people. Oh, yeah, there it is. It's leaking a little bit. Yeah, when I pick it up. So it does leak. Yeah. Okay. Well, I don't know, folks. I think there's snake bite ends. I don't know. What do you think, folks? Let's turn that down there. It looks like it would be a good, decent use. It does leak when you move the hose around a little bit. So, there it is. I've got to reset this. The ground is